Okay, NBC News legal analyst Misty Marris joins us now to break it down for us. Misty, just a half day of court. What did we learn? Any new information come out today?
So today we actually went through the procedure back at the precinct when they're going through Luigi Mangione's bag. And while that seems like it's just procedural stuff, maybe not that important, it's actually really pivotal. So we know that his backpack was searched at McDonald's, a magazine and bullets were found, but then that backpack goes back to the station. That search at McDonald's falls into a warrant exception called search incident to arrest. But then there's another type of search that happens at the station, an inventory search. And that's what happened there. That's where you find the gun, the manifesto, the phone, the USB, these notes. So all of that going through the procedures, all part of the argument. Prosecutors say this should come in because it was done properly, both at McDonald's and back at that precinct.
The defense really trying to pick apart every single step in the process. I mean, just how good of an argument does the defense have when it comes to whether or not this evidence should be included?
They're raising significant constitutional issues, no doubt. They're doing all the right things. Good arguments, yes. Winning arguments, probably not. Based on what we've seen unfold in court, you know, there's a lot of testimony, a lot of it duplicative, a lot of body cam footage, and now we're learning a little bit more about how the search at the police station actually happened, this inventory search. I think that prosecutors are going to have the upper hand here, which is generally the case, but it's likely that all of this is going to come in. But the defense, obviously, they need to make this record, not just for the suppression issue, but also for a potential appeal down the road.
I mean, you look at the degree of attention around this, the length of time this is taking, and you start to forget this is a pre-trial hearing. This isn't the trial. So talk to me about the timeline. What can we expect? I know that there's no court on Monday. We'll resume on Tuesday. What are we looking forward to here?
I was the same in court. I'm thinking, is this the trial? There's like intense cross-examination that you would expect at the trial, not a pre-trial hearing. Well, you know, no court on Monday. The prosecution had said that they need about 2 more days. Then the defense has 2 more witnesses. Then they'll both argue their sides of the case. This is fact-finding. This is all for the judge to know what happened, all of the information that he'll take into consideration. Now, the legal arguments, both sides will apply those facts to the law, make those arguments to the judge, and I think we'll probably see a decision, a written decision in January.
Okay, we'll wait and see how this all pans out. Thank you so much, Misty Marris, for breaking it down, as always. Don't go anywhere.